one battery. There's my other battery. That's my time remaining on my house bank, temperature on the house bank, voltage on each battery. And then there's your amps going in and out. So right now I got 35, 40 amps positive going into each battery. And then I got the twin motor batteries up there, and it charges on the fly too. So it's showing they're charged. It's only got 0.2 or 0.6 positive. So if I turn the boat off, now it'll flip over and go negative.
Okay.
So now it's going to show you how many amps are being drawn with the air conditioner on, stereo on, Simrad's on.
Is everything on right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it says, you know, basically I got like 3 hours remaining with the charge.
I see.
Just sitting here.
And what's the best fuel consumption you got with it?
1.12.
Loaded?
Loaded, you're like 0.85.
Okay. And then the 2 lithium batteries for the Rodan?
Yep.
Okay.
No, one for each.
One for each?
It'll anchor for 14 hours.
14 hours? Okay. And a good sea?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And then it charges on the fly. So
That's awesome.
it charges, you know,
Wow.
you're running.
Wow. Yeah.
It's charging.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Inverter, and then all the chill plates run off 12 volt.
Okay. And you said, what was that? The trip to Bahamas?
600 pounds of ice. Just came back with ice.
600 pounds of ice? And you came back with ice? What's top speed?
73.
73?